pa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka sebedo kauloso e weche motenore kod duol mochung'ne tong' to kod mago mag yiero pacho kaendi IEBC e kind mamoko. Kakora achiel kachiel winjo ni to kawuono Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka wachang'o e weche makamagi.
Because when I last checked, I was still in Azimio. And the leader is Raila Odinga, who appointed me to NADCO. We need to be able now to act in the best interest of this country. This matter of IEBC is the most urgent issue. The people of Banisa constituency lost their member of parliament over a year ago. They're still waiting for a by-election. And others. Why disenfranchise Kenyans? Because of political expedience. But as I said, I invite you, maybe I can share with you some of my thoughts on why the delaying tactics. And if we do that, do not record me and forward to Itumbi. People are desperate, absolutely desperate. Yes, sir. Yeah, I said Muli is one of us. He comes from my home county. Yeah, he tried to run for speakership of Kitui. He wasn't successful. I certainly wish him well. And if there's any way I can help him, but let him not be used as a proxy to delay an important national matter. Of course, that recording by Tumbi, which is a strange thing, had to do with, because Augustine Muli went to the office of Junet Mohammed, who is, of course, the secretary. As we speak, the Secretary General of Azimio is Junet Mohammed. And that is the last very important thing up to date Junet has done. Because he forwarded the name of Dr. Koki Muli in accordance with what he had agreed within Azimio. So the name of Koki Muli was agreed upon following the direction of the judge who determined the matter and gave Azimio 48 hours to forward a name. That supersedes what you are talking about, my friend. Who was it who was asking that question about who may have garnered what votes, whatever? That did not take into account the fact that the national, whatever the party is, yeah, because there are 23 parties, by the way, in Azimio, yeah, but one had to have a parliamentary party. And everybody in this country knows Wiper Democratic Movement is a parliamentary party. And by the way, Professor Adam Solo went in easily because Raila and us that time had agreed on the formula, which formula was messed up by the political party's liaison team. That is the whole story. They liaised, they tried to say, oh no, we want to teach, I don't know who, what lesson. I think a lot of them have since regretted. And we are moving. We want as strong as Azimio. Even if they do not have membership in parliament, there's 2 members of the coalition. But unfortunately, the law stipulates, you have to have at least membership in the House. And this is the clogging. But I'm telling you, the truth of the matter is the state interfered, okay, to make sure that Koki Muli's name is not forwarded. Unfortunately, the names have to be forwarded as a team, the 9 of them. And I think my friend Weta knows the truth. Thank you. I think I've belabored that point. Now, shukuruni sana. So my friend can go and have a cup of tea. Asanteni sana. Mungu abariki. And surely have a wonderful festive season. Asante.